Here's how to create passive income in 2022 by following this simple strategy. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. In today's video guys, we are going to talk about passive income. You know, this idea of being able to relax on the beach and sipping whatever drinks you have in mind and watching the sunsets while you know money is rolling into your bank account without you having to do anything for it. Even though that's not exactly true, but because you always have to be a little bit involved in your business in order to create income. It is possible, however, to be as passive as possible when it comes to generating an income, especially online. There are different ways today that people generate passive income. You have like investing, you got like stocks, you got like real estate, maybe crypto in the future, even though I don't think it is right now. So total passive income really does not exist. You always have to be a little bit involved in order to keep that money flowing in. But there are ways where you can be, as I've said, as you can make it as passive as possible. And that's what we're going to look into in this video. One method that has worked for years to generate passive income is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission for every sale that you make. Now, most ways that people do affiliate marketing is they will promote a product where they will get paid only once. So there's a product that maybe costs $100, they will promote it, they get a sale, they get a commission, and that's it. And even though you can make a ton of money by doing this, one of the best ways to do affiliate marketing is to promote products that have recurring commissions. And recurring commissions, basically, as the name suggests, is when you get commissions again and again and again, even though you've promoted these products only one to the same person. So for example, you could have a product that costs an X amount of money, you refer it to somebody buys that product, and you get paid every month even though you referred the product to that person only once. And that's called recurring commissions. And it is one of the best ways to build passive income online, especially with affiliate marketing. There are a ton of products and services out there that offer recurring commissions, and some of them offer like really good recurring commissions. So let's explore some of those products together. So number one on our list is email marketing softwares. Email marketing softwares or tools are products that are used mostly by small businesses or big businesses, entrepreneurs, to build email lists. Basically, they will have their customers and their traffic sources, and they will try to build an email list of that traffic, and then send them resources and information every now and then to build trust with their audience, and then sell them products. Basically, those are tools that are used by a lot of people to build email lists of their potential customers, and those products are very popular. And some great examples include like GetResponse, which is an extremely popular email marketing software in the industry. There's also ConvertKit that is also big. There's another one called ActiveCampaign. So all those email marketing tools, automation tools, are very popular and usually quite easy to get sales for. The only downside with those products is that the commission rate can be quite low. So usually they have plans that cost like $15 or $20 a month. So you as an affiliate would maybe make like $5 or $10 per customer on recurring commissions every month. So $5 or $10 might not seem a lot, especially per customer. But the thing is, the retention rate on those products is usually very high. So you have those customers that will remain a customer for many years. So if you can build, 4, 5, 6, 7 people every single day, over time you can build a stream of income that will bring in like $100 or $200 a day, almost passive income. So even though the income itself can be pretty low per customer, because of the high retention rate, you can make a decent amount of money through passive income by promoting email marketing softwares. Number 2 on the list are VPN services. VPN services are very popular and also very relevant right now because a lot of people are very concerned about their privacy. They want to remain anonymous. They don't want their data to be shared. And this is an extremely popular market to join and promote products from. And there are also people who use VPN services to change their location when they're trying to access certain websites. For example, Netflix. I know that Netflix does not have the same type of content for everybody from every part of the world. So people sometimes use the VPN to change their location so that they can get access to different kinds of websites. People use it for to protect themselves against hackers. So VPNs are very, very popular and is a good product to promote. And there are a ton of different VPN services out there. You have like NordVPN, you've got Surfshark, which is also very popular. There's another one called IPVanish, which I know some people using. And the one that I use myself is ExpressVPN, which I've been using for many years, and I love it very much. And the commission rate on VPN services, I would say, are pretty much the same as email marketing softwares, where it's not that high, but just like email marketing software, the retention rate is also very high on those particular softwares, especially if the customer is very satisfied with the service that he's getting. He will stay a customer for many, many years. So it's very important that you choose the right VPN service to promote when going down that route. But this is definitely a good way of building passive income, because you can have somebody signing up for one of those VPN services and you would get paid maybe $10 or $5 a month. And then, that customer will remain a customer for many, many years. And if you can get in a lot of customers every day, maybe 4, 5 or 6 customers per day, eventually, just like for email marketing software, eventually you can grow to $100 a day, almost passive income. Number 3 on the list are website builders and landing page or funnel builders. Those are extremely popular amongst entrepreneurs and businesses. Actually, it's like a must for those kind of people, including myself, because you need sales funnels and landing pages to bring your traffic to before selling them maybe a product, a service, or an affiliate offer. So this is the kind of product that sells very, very well. There are different sales funnels and landing page builders out there. You've got like ClickFunnels, which is a huge one in the market. There's another one called Kartra, which is also a big one and a very popular one. There's GrowFunnel, who came out just over a year ago, I think, and got a ton of users in just a short amount of time, extremely popular as well. The one that I use myself is called Systeme.io, which is also a popular landing page out there. And the good thing with those landing pages is that the commission rate on those ones are much better than the ones that I talked about already, because those software usually cost a little bit more. They usually cost something like, $70 per month or $100 per month. And you as an affiliate would make maybe $30 or $40 per month per customer, which is really, really good. So if you can get like, 2 or 3 customers per day, you can easily grow to $100 to $150 per day in total passive income. This is one of the best ways, in my opinion, to build passive income through affiliate marketing, by promoting those kind of high-end, high-priced products that has a huge demand for in the market. And another one that I wanted to add to my list, number 4, are diet supplements or fitness supplements. Those one, you might not know this, but people do earn passive income promoting those kind of products, because people will buy supplements and then when it's done, they will buy another one and another one. Whether it's weight loss or fitness, people are constantly buying those supplements. And if you refer those supplements to the right people, you could earn commissions every single month by promoting those kinds of products. For example, there's this weight loss product called Exipure, which is extremely popular right now on ClickBank, and they do have like a monthly recurring commission for this. People are making money promoting this, maybe around, I think, $100 to $150 on average per sale. But then they are also making money on the back end every month after promoting those kinds of products. So supplements is a good one as well. It's not as big as landing page builders or email softwares, in the sense that those other products are more long term. But this one is also a good way of making good money through passive income. So how can you go about promoting those kinds of products? So one way you could do this is by creating content around those products. Content on social media or on search engine platforms like Google or YouTube, and basically create different types of content around those particular product that you want to promote, whether it's tutorials, whether it's reviews, any kind of content where you talk about the product. And this would be like you advertising those products. And this is a good way of creating content and promoting those kinds of products. To give you an example, when it comes to, let's say, website builders or funnel builders, like say ClickFunnels, for example, you could create content on YouTube showing people how to create those sales funnels, how to create different landing pages, how to create like a sales page, and different kind of things that would bring value to your audience. And eventually what will happen is they will start trusting you, and then they will click on your affiliate link when they go and buy those products out there. You could create like tutorials, reviews, landing page, how to create landing pages. So for example, if you go on YouTube and you type in, let's say, how to build a landing page, you will see that there are a ton of different videos that pops up, people showing how to create landing pages. And they are obviously doing it because they want to help, obviously, but they're also doing it because they are earning commissions by providing those kinds of videos, because people will come here, will watch those videos because they want to learn how to build landing pages. And then in those videos, those people are going to recommend a particular software, maybe ClickFunnels or Kartra or GroupFunnels or Systeme.io or whatever. And then they will click on that link and go and buy those products, and they will start earning affiliate commissions, recurring affiliate commissions, simply by making those videos. And you could do something very similar where you create content on YouTube, for example, where you talk about the products that you want to promote, and you want to be consistent and post consistently every single day. And eventually you will start generating so many views that you will also start making money and earn recurring commissions promoting those kinds of products. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video on how to create passive income, especially through affiliate marketing. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.